Luxury villas and lush gardens are a top trend in 2025. Looking to make your engagement photos truly unforgettable? Let's dive in to the 2025 trends for engagement photos that you must know. Engagement photos are more than just pictures. They're about telling a love story that feels authentic, magical, and personal. In 2025, couples are embracing adventurous, elegant, and deeply meaningful photography trends that blend with the couple's unique relationship. From golden hour beach sessions to romantic Mallorcan streets, these engagement photo ideas will give you the ultimate inspiration, especially if you're planning a shoot in Mallorca, one of the most breathtaking places to take engagement photography. So let's explore some of the biggest engagement photography trends of 2025 and just exactly how you can incorporate them into your photography. 1. Golden hour beach engagements. There's something really magical about golden hour. The soft, warm glow creates a cinematic and romantic feel that makes every single shot look like a dream. In 2025, couples are choosing sunset over sunrise for the effortlessly beautiful and timeless aesthetic. Ideal poses. The intimate forehead touch, holding hands and looking at each other. For couples looking for an elegant and timeless setting, luxury villas and lush gardens are a top trend in 2025. The combination of historic stone walls, cascading greenery, and dreamy floral touches create a romantic and storybook-like atmosphere. Ideal poses. Seated on a stone staircase is always such a classic pose for this kind of shot. Gentle embrace underneath an olive tree, or dancing in the courtyard. Pro tip: incorporate flowy dresses, floral details, and classic accessories for a sophisticated and effortless look. 3. Cliffside romance, epic views and adventure. These dramatic landscapes symbolize the journey of love, and they make for stunning, one-of-a-kind engagement photos. Engagement photo shoots with breathtaking cliffside views are gaining lots of popularity. These dramatic landscapes symbolize the journey of love, and they make for stunning, one-of-a-kind engagement photos. Pro tip, again, wear flowy fabric that can be catched in the wind. Old Town charm. If you love the classic and cinematic feel of the lovely romantic Mallorcan streets, consider a historic Old Town engagement photo shoot. The cobbled streets, charming balconies, and ancient architecture add a timeless and romantic touch to your engagement photos. Ideal poses. Walking through narrow streets, sipping coffee at a local cafe, and soft kisses against a rustic doorway. Pro tip: choose natural and vintage-inspired clothing to match the aesthetic of the town to get a more cohesive look. Vineyard and countryside romance. Rustic and nature-inspired engagement photos are trending in 2025. A vineyard and countryside setting bring a cozy yet elegant aesthetic, with rolling hills, golden fields, and lush vineyards for the perfect backdrop. And the most ideal poses. Laughing over a glass of wine, strolling through the vineyards, and having a picnic among the grapevines. Okay, last pro tip. Plan your shoot around golden hour to have a warm and glowing atmosphere to enhance the romantic feel of the setting. If you want to book a photo shoot with me, you can get in contact with me over here on my website. And also, if you want some more pose inspiration, you can click this video here for more poses that aren't shown in this video.